1999 Toyota Sienna 6-cylinder fuel filter replacement. First, the fuse box close to the battery. You need to remove the fuse to the fuel pump, which is this one right here. This one. Then you start your car until the engine stops. You then remove the negative cable from the battery. The fuel filter is located underneath the air filter box. Now the best way to probably access the fuel filter is to remove the air filter box. And the way you need to do that is by loosening up this and removing this from the plastic container, as well as this tube. This will come off, and then there's some screws in the bottom that can be taken out. And this whole box, plastic box, can be removed out so that you can access the fuel filter. There are 3 10mm bolts in here that have to be removed. This is the top of the fuel filter after the air filter box is removed. There is a 17mm bolt which is removed, and there is a clamp with an 8mm bolt which needs to be removed or loosened to get the filter out. You need to access the bottom of the fuel filter from underneath the car. This is what it looks like from the bottom. There's a shield that sits in front here that you can remove. It has 2 10mm bolts on the shield that can be removed. One here and one here. I don't know if I can get an up close of them. And then you can bring the shield down. With the shield removed, you have much better access now to that bolt. This takes a 14mm bolt on the bottom. Just remember, when opening this bolt, gasoline is going to come out of the bottom of the filter and the hose. So you want to have something that can catch that, whether it's a rag or something, so it just doesn't land in your face. Just make sure you put on the washers, either use the old ones or preferably put on new ones if they came with your filter. This is the old one, this is the new one. It goes in the car like this, with this facing up.